Let me once again reassure Nigerians that there is no going back on the deployment of the bimodal voter accreditation system, BVAS, or voter accreditation. There is no going back on the transmission of results on the INEC result viewing portal, the real time on election day. There will be no incident form that enables ineligible
politics on the Will J, and this is Elite TV. Thank you for those who have been watching, visiting our YouTube page and all other our social media platforms. We appreciate you. We don't take you for granted. And please, if you have not subscribed, please do it to subscribe to this channel to get much more of the information of things happening around Nigeria and Africa as a whole. So the Presidential Petition Tribunal sitting in Abuja at the Appeal Court yesterday, being 5th of July 2023, the APC and Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Shetima closed her case yesterday. And according to the case filed by Peter Obi Labour Party and that of also PDP and Atiku, demanding for disqualification and also for nullification of the election, either of them, that there is an allegation that the certificate presented by Tinubu is fake. There is money laundering, fortification of money in assets, in US. There is also 35% in Abuja, which Tinubu never secured. There is also identity issue, which is to know exactly where is Tinubu's origin. And the funny thing is this: all these that I have just mentioned, none of the witnesses called upon by the APC and Tinubu, none of them testify in that regards to back up the points that those allegations by Labour Party, Peter Obi, Atiku, and PDP are false. As a matter of fact, the witness that came to testify for APC Bola Ahmed Tinubu testified against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. For the brief of actually what transpired in court yesterday, as court have already adjourned and the dates for judgment has not been placed yet, because 10 days has been given to the respondents, that is APC, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Shetima, and that of also INEC, to file their final response, while 7 days will be given to Labour Party and also Atiku and Peter Obi with PDP to file their also response, so that then the date for judgment will be placed. We are getting closer to this whole drama coming to an end. But however, this was what transpired in court yesterday. A total of 18 documents were presented. There are letter from the Nigerian police force signed by the former IG, to U.S. Embassy dated February 3rd. Letter from U.S. Embassy signed by Michael Omar to the Nigerian police force dated February 4th. The bundle of documents encompassing the educational record of Tinubu and respondents from Chicago, duly certified. Dates page of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Nigerian passport issued February 2nd, 2011. Date page of Tinubu, Nigerian passport issued on November 29th, 2019. Tinubu visa page on his passport issued on February 4, 2011. Tinubu visa page on his passport issued on July 12, 2017. Tinubu's visa page on his passport issued on July 25th, 2019. Tinubu visa page on his passport issued on November 18, 2021. Then the second petitioner, Mr. Peter Obi, letter of his membership of Labour Party to INEC April 15, 2022. Mr. Peter Obi, register of member of Labour Party in Anambra State, duly certified by INEC. Certificates, true copy of reports of the community, on the location of the FCT, copy of from ECAD for Kano State in respect of February 25th, 2020 election, CTC of Form ECADA in respect of Kano State, acknowledgement and copy of notice of voluntary withdrawal of Shetima from Borno State senatorial election, judgment of Supreme Court, between PDP and INEC, and third order delivery on May 26. Copy of page 28 of the Nigeria Tribune newspaper of February 23rd. Copy of page 27. Copy of page 27 of the Nigeria Tribune of 25th February 2023. All the above documents were objected by the Labour Party, aside from that of the Supreme Court judgment of PDP, that were admitted by the court and tag exhibit. So, there is this scenario that happened yesterday in the courts where, many people are now reacting to and tagging it that Peter Obi he was never registered as a member of Labour Party, so his 6 million votes, blah blah blah, is a waste and all of that. See, people should understand the fact that there is a lot of propaganda by the APC and some of these people on social media. Peter Obi registered back then in April, after he moved out of PDP to contest under the platform of Labour Party. So all these arguments should be looked aside. Nobody should take them serious. So Bola Ahmed Tinubu called in their witness, and he was examined in chief by Wolo. The highlight of this examination are: he took the oath of the Bible, and his name is Michael, a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and lawyer. He stated his address academic qualification, where there was obtained from, and added that he has been practicing law since 1999. He resumed, and witness statement on oath was tendered and admitted. He deposed in his witness statement on oath that votes in Kano State were improperly recorded and had a shortfall of about 10,929 votes. So WXOO stands for witness statement on oath. So now he could identify ECOWAS report signed by His Excellency Koroma, former president of Sierra Leone and current head of ECOWAS observed mission in Nigeria, but he didn't read it through. He can identify a letter from Peter Obi forwarding the membership list of Anambra State Labour Party members to INEC. First respondent, INEC had no question for the witness. Fourth respondent, APC cross-examined the witness, and here are the highlights. Witness confirmed he is the former chair, Senate Committee on Judicial, and appointed APC majority leader yesterday. He confirmed the register of Labour Party member submitted does not have Obi's name. This is where everybody is talking about. That the confirmed register of Labour Party members submitted does not have Peter Obi's name. It was actually a lot of drama yesterday. And going further, as a practicing attorney in the US and Nigeria, he and his firm, that Tinubu has a clear record, no criminal conversation or conviction, charge or sentence. He has been friends with Tinubu for 35 years, confirmed Tinubu is a Nigerian citizen and has a clean bill of health to run for office. Are you kidding me? Tinubu have clear. Anyway, let's leave it for another day. He admitted that he is witness statement on oath. He mentioned that they will rely on both local and international observers. He was then shown the EU reports on the election. The EU report was tendered but objected to by INEC, BAT, that is Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Shetima APC. He has a license to practice federal law in the US, and he admitted that Tinubu fortified 460,000 in I don't want to talk. So Tinubu fortified money for trafficking, for drug-related issues in the US. He testified and agreed to that. So let's go forward. His license to practice law doesn't cover Elios, the state where the money was fortified. You see, he was trying to dodge. So he admitted that yes, it happened, but he was not able to. He's not practicing in that state. His license did not cover that place, so nobody should drag him to that issue. So he's trying to dodge from this particular issue. He read the order made by the Chicago court, and it relied on money laundering and drug trafficking law to pass the order on Tinubu, but this was pledged in the Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Shetima petition. He saw it back then, but doesn't have a copy of a letter written by former IGP Tafawa Balogun to the US Embassy requesting for a background check to be run on Tinubu. Then the fourth respondent APC said they have proven their case. They are proving their case convincingly through the examined witness. Therefore, this case is closed. With this, all respondents, INEC, Bat, Shetima, APC have closed their case. So as it stands right now, they have been given 8 days, like I said earlier. So the proceeding ended yesterday in the afternoon. So now, what happened yesterday was the witness that they brought forth testified against Tinubu, admitting the fact that Tinubu actually laundered. Even the certificate that he presented was fraud. This is, so there is no way. So I believe that it is high time that within this month, we hope to have a judgment from the appeal court, the Presidential Petition Tribunal sitting at the appeal court, and we will know our fate of the 25th of February 2023 election. Thank you for watching this video, and please do well to like, share, and make a positive comment.